Okay, the next thing that we are going to do is formatting text, paragraph and page. For formatting, we have this bar over here. This is the type of the font that you want. There are different types of type of the font that are defined, and you can select any one of them from here. And besides this, there is an option of increasing the size of the font. From here you can select any sort of the size, and you can have your text in that size also. The maximum number they have given 72, but in some cases if you want the higher size, greater size, then the maximum size mentioned in the Word document, you simply change from here accordingly your number. Let's suppose 145 size you want, you can even insert it by clicking over here. This 145 is not mentioned in this bar, but you may have the size greater than the number 72, which is the greatest number in the font bar shown in your screen. You can even change this to bigger number also. The maximum size I suppose is 550. You can even change till 550 also. Okay, from here you can change the size. Let's suppose we want the size 24. If I select 24 from the bar and enter it, the size will definitely change to 24, which is this first text of the Word document is being highlighted as a 24 size. The next bar is also 24, and the further is also 24, because I have already done it the size of 24. In order to increase it to the greater size, you can even change from here, and you can have the greater size also. See, the size is increasing as I want, and if I want the smaller size text, I will go to the smaller size. Let's suppose I have selected 14 from here. You will go upward and see the size of the text become smaller. Okay, then after that we have the option of the font also from here. From here you can open the font window from here. If you click it, you can even have this screen on your monitor, and you can see the body of the font. From here you can have the body of the font means different portions, that is the, if you need a headings, all other types also define, windings, winding 2, winding 3. You can have these font in your text. Their style is bold. In bold we have regular, italic and bold. In regular font size, regular means this font style that is currently in your Word document. Italic means it will change the font size, and bold also. And we have the size option also from here. And these three options you can even see one on another place in your Word document, that is placed over here in the form of the symbols. See, over here you can see bold, we have italic from here, and over here this is underline. Either you can have all three of them from your main screen of the home tab, or you can even go to the group of the font, and from there you can even select these font style from here. Over here you can change the color. We have different colors over here, they've shown. From here you can even have more colors. More colors will give you this flat, and from here you can select any shade of the color. And customs, we have the grids of the colors, and you can even increase which color you want at maximum of the document. Let's close this. Okay, here we have a sample. Over here there are certain effects, so superscript, subscript, double strike, strike through, small caps, all caps and hidden. See, the superscripts and subscript is also mentioned over here on the very front area of your home tab. This is the option X at the base 2, and this is x power 2. Superscript, subscript both are shown in the name over here, and over here they are shown in the form of a symbol. Okay, so this was your font group. Close this and look over here. This is basically subscript, and see the shortcut key also that is given besides the word